What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to be talking about why I use Skillz as my main monetization platform. If you've been following this channel for a while, you know that I monetize in two ways. The main way is with Skillz, and if you don't know what that is, please check out my other videos because I have done many videos on them and how I actually monetize. So a lot of people come to me and they've had sort of a negative experience with Skillz, and I have had a lot of backlash from some people saying that the platform isn't that great. A lot of people ask me if Skillz pay me to promote them in my videos, and the truth is they do not. They do not give me any special treatment. They do not market my games. They don't spend money on my games, and the reason why I promote them is simply because the platform works. Well, it works for me. Many developers have tried the Skillz platform and maybe it wasn't a good fit for them. Maybe they weren't ready. They didn't understand the whole ecosystem of skill-based gaming. They would create the wrong types of games. And this is part of the reason why I created this channel, because I share with you guys what works for me, and then you can use that or not use it as you want. So Skillz is not the only platform I have tried. I've tried many other monetization platforms. Literally every month someone approaches me trying to get me to create games for their platform, and many times they are really good salesmen and it all sounds too good to be true. So yeah, I jump on board and I create a game, and it is always the same result. I get zero in return. So I have yet to come across another similar platform to Skillz where you monetize through competitions that has been able to deliver on what they've said. So that is the reason why I use Skillz and I stick with them, because the platform just works for me. It's very consistent. The people behind the company are really smart. They do know what they're doing, and it's always changing. They always listen to feedback. It's always improving. And this is why there's a huge community of Skillz players around the world, which also works in my favor because Skillz players like to change and swap through different titles. So it is a great ecosystem if you know what you are doing. So where a lot of developers have a problem is because they don't understand kind of the demographic that they're making games for. So they create the wrong types of games, and these games don't perform, and they struggle to meet the criteria that Skillz has set out for them to turn on cash tournaments in your game. So basically you monetize when people compete against each other. Then the developer gets a small percentage of every entry fee as well as Skillz. So it's a revenue split model, and yeah, it's been working for me great. I've always been fascinated with making competitive types of games. It's just way more fun. And yeah, if you know what you're doing, the platform is fantastic. But if you're a new developer, I would say get some practice creating more simple types of games, and then understand the basics of marketing and how to get your games visible on the App Store. Then you're gonna have a lot more success when you do use a platform like Skillz. So that is just my 2 cents. And again, they do not pay me a single cent, although maybe they should. So if you guys are watching, but yeah, they don't pay me a thing. So hope you guys enjoyed that video. If you did, please smash the like button, subscribe if you want to see more of this content, and I'll see you in the next one. Stay safe and peace out.